everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the Dikasun Tesla airbed mattress, because what does every Tesla owner need? They need an air mattress. So let's see what we got in here. We have, this is going to be the pump. So there we go, there's the pump, and it comes with the attachments you need to inflate it, and it looks like a little warning as well. That's good. We will keep those handy. And then a little thank you for your order. Very nice. And then here, oh, let's see, comes with a little patch kit, which is always good to have. We have some pillows. That's good. I'll put those over here. And let's see, what else do we got in here? And then we got it comes with a bag. Dikasun. So that's very nice to have. That'll be good to put it back up again. And then here it is. We have a nice black mattress here. It looks like the top is, I don't know if it's the bottom or the top that has the velvety side. There's one side that's like velvety and one side that's not. So I'm gonna go for the not velvety side up at the top here. Let's go backwards, because maybe that'll keep it from sliding around. Maybe that's what it's for. So let's see. Sorry, I got a bunch of dog hair and whatnot in here, but we're gonna set this thing up here. You know what, I probably don't even need to undo it. I guess when I fill it up with air, it's going to happen. So let's see if we put this on, and then we open up this one here is probably the one-way valve. Indeed it is. So let's plug this in to give us some air. See what opening we need. Oh, that one fits in there perfect. So that's the one we need. There, so you see we've got it connected up, and now just turn it on. Make sure I have suck and blow in the right direction, and I do. I think we're inflating. Oh, maybe not. I'm not sure we're inflating. Let me make sure this valve is working. Oh, it's a slow valve, so let me do most of it with this, and then we'll do that at the end. And it looks like it's tapered, so like where the wheel well is and where the back is, it's going to be a little bit more narrow, and then where the front is, it's going to take the whole width of the car. See, it's going the whole width over there, so pretty nice. And I've got something jammed in the way there, so I'm sticking out the back a little bit, but you get the idea here. Let's see. So now, let me put this other little valve on and finish it up. Okay, so there we are. So now we have it done. I'm just closing up the valve here, sorry. We lost a little bit of air doing this little twist here, but you get the idea. And now let's give this thing a try. It's kind of like a pool float, but ow. But not really. Oh, this is comfortable. And I think the way I did it with that velvet on the bottom is probably the way to go to keep it from sliding around. So this is it. This is comfortable. I could sleep in here. Me and my little doggy can probably get a little snoozy snooze. So I'm gonna say I like this. It's good. I'm ready to hit the road. So if I'm at a rest stop or something like that, I can easily set this up really quick. That's what I like about it. And the way the Tesla, the way it has like the camp mode and the dog mode, it'll keep the air conditioning going all night. So that's what's good about this. And then I can always set up these pillows as well. So super cool and comfortable. And I'm gonna say I like it. Thumbs up.